Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Swapping the first and last characters of a string is a classic Java challenge. Let's quickly evaluate 3 code segments to find our winner. Segment 1 correctly uses substring methods to grab the last character, then adds the middle part, and finally attaches the first character. This logic perfectly builds our new swap string result. Segment 2 fails because it tries to assign characters directly to the string result using index positions. In Java, strings are immutable, so this approach will cause a major compilation error. Segment 3 works by isolating the first and last characters as strings first. It then concatenates them in the correct order around the middle section. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the steps, and check carefully.